I bet you've never heard of Marabu charcoal. Well, today I'm going to be using some of Big K's awesome restaurant grade Marabu charcoal to cook some beautiful Harissa roasted vegetables on a bed of herb infused cannellini beans. Check this out. Time to set up our barbecue, and it couldn't be easier to light charcoal. And we're going to go back to our old Boy Scout days on how to do this. So first we've got this really great Marabu charcoal. Marabu is actually an invasive weed, so this is a byproduct of that, which is great. And we're just going to lay a bed of charcoal down first. To that, we've got this really good fire lighters, and these are natural products. And this is where you'll find really good quality charcoal comes in handy, because you get these really big bits that you can build a pyramid with. Right, we're just going to leave that. In 20 minutes they'll start to take on a lovely ashen colour. We'll knock it down and we'll start barbecuing. In the meantime, let's get our vegetables prepared. For our Harissa vegetables, we're going to cheat a little bit and use a ready-made Harissa paste. While we're waiting for the barbecue, we're going to get the base, our cannellini bean base, set up and ready, and this couldn't be easier. And the great thing with this Marabu charcoal is you'll get a good 2-3 hours of heat off this, so this will keep you going through the whole day barbecuing for friends and family. So our veg are done literally any second now, so while we're waiting for that, we're just going to finish off our cannellini bean base. Now let's pop the rest of our veg on there. And that is my Harissa roasted vegetables with a beautiful herb infused cannellini bean dressing. Let's eat. I've nothing left to say on this.